A drug dealer arrested in the hands of the traders of Bisramganj market, including brown sugar. Name of the dealer is Jasim Mia of Pagma Korimura area. Later, the locals handed him over to the police. Jasim Mia, a drug dealer of Pagma Korimura area, has been making youths addicted to drugs by selling brown sugar in various areas, including Bisramganj, for a long time. Earlier, the traders of the Bisramganj market had banned Jasim Mia from selling intoxicants in the Bisramganj area, but Jasim Mia did not pay attention to the words of the market traders. However, at the end, dealer Jasim Mia was arrested by the traders of Bisramganj market, including brown sugar. He was tied up in a tree by the merchant. Later, police was informed in the spot, and the police immediately rushed to the scene and found 2 containers of brown sugar in the hands of the merchants of the market.
নাম হইছে জসিম মিয়া বাড়ি বাগমা করে আমরা এই জায়গাটা ছেলেরা ধইরা জনগণ ধইরা পুলিশ আছে এটা কোন জায়গা দাদা বিশ্বমঞ্জ বাজার পুলিশ আইছে নি
On the other hand, even though the government has taken the role of making the state drug-free, the drug dealers have continued their drug trade by managing various police officers. More drugs are entering the state than the rate at which drugs are being caught by the police. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.